Hello friends, today's project is vitals and person state monitoring without any wearable sensors. This project helps you to monitor the health of a person without attaching any sensor to the human body. You can track the target person's movement by activities like walking, sleeping, falling, etc. without using any camera. This project helps to get vitals like respiratory rate, heart rate, etc. of a person 24/7 without disturbing the privacy of that person. Let us see the demonstration first. This radar is detecting breathing and showing data live. You can see on the screen my respiratory rate. Now let us see how it detects activities. Upload the code and you can see it is showing activities on the output terminal. See if I am moving the same is displayed on the screen. I have stopped moving. Somebody is stopping is displayed on the terminal. You have seen it is tracking my activities without any camera and also telling my vitals without attaching any health sensor to my body. Let us take a look at how to develop this project. We can use 60 GHz wave radar for detecting activities and vitals of a person. Here we are using 24 GHz wave radar to get some information. This radar emits wave and captures the reflected waves from the body to get data. To get this data, you have to connect this radar to FTDA connector and retrieve data. The components used in this project are 24 GHz radar and any development board like ESP32, ESP8266 or Arduino Nano board. We are using an Arduino board. The connections are very simple. There are two interfaces in radar module. You can see this from the data sheet. There is interface 1 and interface 2. We are using interface 1. It has a serial port interface. We have RX and TX pin for transmitting and receiving data. This S1 pin tells us whether the person is present or not. The S2 pin tells us about the activities of a person in the room. Connect 5V pin of radar to 5V of Arduino board and ground to ground. Now connect the RX pin, that is the receiver pin of the radar, to pin 2 and the TX pin, that is the transmitter pin of radar, to pin 2 of the Arduino board. Now our connections are completed. Now we will write code for this circuit. Before that, let us go back to the data sheet of radar. Let us take a look at how to mount this radar. You can mount this on the top ceiling or on the side wall. Now let us get back to our code. You have to add sleepbreathingradar.h library. To add this library, first you need to install this library. Download this library from the link provided in our website where the project is published. After downloading the library, add it to Arduino IDE by going to Sketch, then include library. Now select Add Zip Library. Here select the Download Zip folder to add the library. Now the radar.serial function starts the serial function inside the setup function. After this, begin serial monitor using serial.begin with the baud rate in the brackets. To get the value from the radar, we have to define TX and RX pins in one of the files inside the library folder like this. We have given 3 and 4 over here. Now we will read the radar and print readings on the serial monitor. Now run and upload this code to your Arduino board. You can see breathing rate on the serial monitor. Mount radar at the right place to get all the vitals correct. Now let us see the code to detect activity of a person. The algorithm in the library will detect our movements and tell us what a person is doing. We will output human motion status using this line. Run and upload code to the Arduino board. You can see message like somebody is moving or somebody moved away on the output screen. This is all about this project. We hope you liked it. Do implement this project at home and let us know your experience. Thank you.